It was the constant late payments for me.
Maintenance requests, getting lost.
Bad communication with tenants.
Lots of physical documents to search through.
Spreadsheets everywhere.
Tax season.
Unsatisfied tenants?
The lease agreement.
Late hours at the office.
Going back and forth collecting rent and...
Wait, did you know there's an easier way to do all this? That's what DoorLoop is for.
Really?
You gotta be joking.
Seriously?
Yeah, check it out. DoorLoop is the easiest to use property management platform that will save you time on tasks and accounting, get you organized, and help you grow your portfolio, making you money.
Set up automatic payments, track payments, and generate rent reports? Huh.
Track maintenance requests and schedule repairs? What?
Mobile app that allows property managers to manage their properties from anywhere? Phenomenal.
Wait,
I don't have to worry about my emails getting lost in a sea of advertising newsletters.
Exactly.
I have no words.
You don't have to. DoorLoop will do all the talking. Just schedule your demo today to learn more.
Hold on. I can finally travel the world?
Yep, soon you'll be managing your properties from anywhere on autopilot. Check out DoorLoop today. Click the link in the description to schedule a demo.